Do you view yourself as having a positive outlook on life? Do you hope that good things are coming your way soon? Well, one thing that is important to note is that positive thinking is a mental and emotional attitude that pays a closer focus and interest on the bright side of life, with the hope of having a positive outcome. Having positive thinking does not mean that you should bury your head in the sand. It does not mean that you should ignore life's painful and unpleasant situations. It simply means having the ability to approach life more positively and productively even in the face of unpleasantness. Even when things are not going your way, you keep your head up and hope for the very best and not the worst. It is important for you to notice that you have the power to change your mindset. It all starts with self-talk. In other words, you have to begin by stimulating endless streams of positive thoughts running through your head. The truth is, these thoughts can take two forms, the negative and the positive, mainly because most of what you think are derived from logic and reason. However, other self-talks may arise from having misconceptions and assumptions that result from a lack of information. If you mostly have negative thoughts running through your mind, the truth is you are pessimistic. On the other hand, if most of the thoughts you have about life are mostly positive, there is a good chance that you are an optimist. In other words, you are someone that exercises positive thinking. When you have positive thinking, you will mentally anticipate health, success, and happiness. You believe that even when faced with the most challenging and difficult situations, you will eventually overcome them. In other words, having positive thinking is not a concept that each person believes in. Some people will see it as nonsense and scoff at those that believe in the power of positive thinking. The good news is that there are so many people who are slowly seeing the important role that positive thinking has on their lives and believe that it is effective. One thing that you have to bear in mind is that if you want to use the power of positive thinking in your life, it is critical that you are more than just aware of the fact that it exists. You have to be ready to adopt it in all that you do. There is so much research that reveals that positive thinking is not just about happiness and having an upbeat attitude. It is through positive thinking that you can create real value in your life by establishing long-lasting skills that last longer than a mere smile.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.